Hey soap lovers, and hello to new viewers. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see the best high-end luxury quality soaps out there up close like this. And see how they actually perform. Hear my little review. You get to see it here first before you go and buy it and make your decision. Okay, so today I have the Hermes Eau d'Orange Vert. This is their perfume soap. It's a 5.3 ounce soap, 150 grams, $35 US, $39 Canadian on the Hermes website. This is the box, orange box. That's the box. And here is the soap. Comes in a green acrylic case. Hermes engraved. Now they say this is a gender neutral soap. Actually, did you know that it is spelled in the feminine way on the box? Vert, which means orange green. Water orange green, but this is the feminine way to spell green in French. But there's nothing feminine about the scent of this soap. I don't understand. And so many women use this soap. You'll see if you look for other reviews, you'll see a lot of women use this soap, but this soap smells so manly. It's not just orange. This is the strongest orange I ever smelled. This orange has muscles, okay? It also has zest leaves, lemon, mandarin, mint blackcurrant bud, oak moss, and patchouli. So that's a very masculine scent. This is going to my husband for Father's Day next month. Yeah, well, and also, I didn't notice the slogan for this soap, which is Eau d'Orange Vert, is the scent of the little prince in all of us. So that's another clue that I'm not really gender neutral because I don't have a prince inside of me. I have a princess. All right, guys, so that's the Hermes Eau d'Orange Vert soap. Here it is. All right. See you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, say hi. Don't be shy. Bye.